Hi guys, good morning. In today's vlog, we're gonna start the vlog very late. Kay dugay ko nakamata. Yes, sleepyhead. But guys, it's because I bonded with my friends last night. My high school friends, high school barkadas. It's because one of my friends kay birthday siyang sister, and that's why pagkauban magid mo sa inyong mga high school friends, you got to chit-chat about your life now, about your past memories in your high school days. And last night was very wonderful and amazing, guys. It was very memorable. Kay among isa ka friend gikan Manila, so that's why we really understand his situation. Kay amo lang siyang sabton, kay mingawan mo gid siya sa amo So we really did our best to have time with him, to spend time with him. That's why dugay ko nakauli and dugay pud ko nakamata. But today's vlog, guys, I really don't know asa ta paingon. I really don't know what's the plan today. It's because I have wala ko'y lag karon, in short. But kaganina, or I mean kagahapon, I don't know kay 12 AM, 12 PM, what, saan man to siya, gahapon or karon. But yeah, naatay lakaw because naatay lakaw. So akong gingon ganina walay lakaw. But now, pwede na kumaingon nga nay laag, kanay say that nga nay ko'y laag, because if you know, guys, I'm part of an organization named KFCI. It's Kuya Fish Campaign. And one of the members, one of the leaders of this organization wanted to celebrate his 25th birthday. It's Kuya Dan Gebe. You will know him later. Yes, me and the other members of this organization kay invited unya. Yes, mulakaw taon niya because we wanted to celebrate life with him, together with the family. And yes, happy birthday Kuya Dan Gebe. Probably na rush, guys, kay 3 PM ang meet up dadto, and wala pa ko nakapakandam sa akong mga gamit because nalingaw ko og internet, and pagngita pa na ako ang akong shoes. Where is naman to akong shoes? But anyways, guys, nakita na akong shoes in here. Mag-andam sa kasakong gamit. So bye. Hey ma. Bye, balik na ko niya. Karon guys, mo ato sa BFB Corrales. I just received a text nga na daw ang birthday boy dito. So kailan gid ko magdali. So init kaayo, guys. So teleport sa ta. We are here, guys, at BFB. So we're about to meet the birthday boy. Hi Kuya Dan. Happy birthday. Thank you. Hi, Ate Janine. Say hi to us. Hi, Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Giving Dan to this world.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yeah, blow your cake.
Hi, Kuya Dan. Hey, Ate Janine, di ba di ka ang birthday?
Uy, okay na.
Hala!
Kaya ang kawon. Ikaw daw kung din. Wala. Hindi, wala mo dito.
Urot kita nan, guys.
After.
Narang nagurot. So, ang ganda Joker. Pa! Prince! How are you?
Yara?
Hi guys! So after the birthday of one of the members in KFC, si Kuya Dan, nag-decide mi nga mga antami kay mga
Yay, singers!
mga broken hearted. Yeah?
Yeah!
Dub sa dub. 1, 2, 3, go! Mga sawi. Uto-uto. Hi guys, that's the end of the video. I know it's very short. Kaya gamay lang kayang time. But I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap that little button, that little bell na nala sa inyong kilid. I don't know kung asa. I have no tricks nga mapakita sa inyo. But yeah, if you like, tap that button para ma-notified mo o ma-update mo kung ma-upload yung video. Di ba, agree? Yes, that's the end of the video, and peace out. Bye.
With the shape of you.